Guys, do you want to make your first $10 in trading but aren't sure that it's even possible without any experience? So, right now, I'll show you how to understand the market in just 10 minutes, even if you're fully beginner. And so, now I'll explain you everything step by step in detail, and I'm fully confident that you will figure it out. Well, I'm already on the broadcast platform and let's begin today's tutorial, guys, with the most important part. This is selecting and setting up today's indicators. So first, let me remind you once again that this strategy is perfectly suited for trading on OTC quotes. And for this strategy, the trend is crucial, really crucial. And it's very important to have a stable channel-based trend, meaning the price should move smoothly within a channel without sharp volatility, just like what you can see right now on the chart in front of you. So let's proceed to the setup. The first one is indicator is a calendar channel where we set the multiplier 2 in order to capture a wide price range. And for signal confirmation, we'll use the MACD oscillator with the following settings and to monitor the general trend dynamics and the spot overbought or oversold areas within the trend. We'll also use the RDX oscillator with the given parameters. This is very important for this setup because if we miss the trend exhaustion, we risk missing proper trade opportunities. So, what types of trade are we looking for today, guys? As I mentioned earlier, the main condition is a smooth, stable trend. And let's take this section of the chart as an example. So here we clearly see a steady uptrend. Yes. And to be honest, and to be clearly, well, and we are looking for pullbacks to the middle moving average. Yeah, you can observe how the price repeatedly pulls back to the middle line. Yes, after which the upward movement continues. And these moments are our entry points. For example, here and here. So it perfect spots to open buy trades. So first we check the RDX indicator and it shows no overextension on this section. And the RDX line is around 55%. Yes, in this range, I guess, and indicating that there is still plenty of room for price movement. So then we check the MACD oscillator. It's moving average lines, positions above the zero line, yes, which indicates bullish strength. So at the same time, the MACD histogram shows a crossover of the zero line from below upwards, signaling bullish momentum. So we can see that right here and here are the small breakout upwards on the histogram. And if all these factors align, we confidently open a buy trade at this section of the trend. Yes, and the logic for sell trades works exactly the same. But in reverse, in a downtrend, we wait for a pullback upwards towards the middle moving average of the calendar channel and then open a sell trade in the direction of the trend. And again, the key is a smooth, stable trend. Just remember that. And without large volatile spikes or chaotic candles. So That's basically the strategy. Simple but very effective. So let's now reinforce the theory with the practice. I'll open a few trades. So let's use $500 per trade and see how it plays out. So yeah, let's get started by selecting the first currency pair for an optimal and profitable entry point. Well, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too. So I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And you know, if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. Well, let's open the first trade down here following the current trend direction. And we already identified a pullback, which is touching the middle line of the Kellner channel. Ideally, I could have caught a slightly better entry since the current candle still has a minor bullish impulse, but I believe it won't prevent this trade from closing in profit. For those who struggle to identify pullbacks, well, here it is, right in this area. And as you can see, the price pulled back exactly to the middle line, and it also made another slight pullback to the same area afterward. And checking the RDX, it's visually clear there is no overextension. So the MACD moving average line is positioned below the zero line, and the histogram shows a shift in volume direction. So exactly what we need. And as you can see, the first trade worked perfectly. Yes, a confident move down almost immediately, hitting a new global low. And although that's no longer relevant since the trade closed in profit. So perfect start. Let's continue and look for the next entry point. Right on the next asset, I opening a buy trade. So the signals from the MACD were a bit incomplete here. It didn't fully confirm the entry yet, but we still have a smooth and steady uptrend anyway. Yes. And RDX is around in the range of 26, 27 percent, showing no overextension. And looking at the MACD, we see it's very close to the crossing the zero line upwards. So the potential is there. And we also observe a pullback to the middle moving average of the indicator. So it's a bit of a tense moment during the final seconds of this trade, but the setup holds. Yes, and the previous candle had a very large body, which tried to push down, but the bullish impulse was strong enough to push the price back up. Yes, and the trade closes in profit, guys, even under this pressure. Well, this shows that trades can succeed even in challenging conditions. So let's open one more trade as the final one for today. I believe I've explained everything clearly so far, so let's proceed and find the next entry point. Well, here we are opening another buy trade, friends, following the trend direction once again. And after pullback to the middle line of the Keltner channel, so we open this trade. Yeah, it's clearly visible. No need for deep analysis to spot it. So there is no overextension in the trend, and we have confirmed this already. At this point, the MACD moving averages are crossing. so which further supports the bullish setup. So, and what we see here, we also see the MACD histogram volume shifting upwards again. So the trade is open right at the crossover point, and now we watch the results, but it turns again in the final seconds. But once again, the trade closes in profit. Excellent, as always. So on this result, I suggest we wrap up today's trading session, and we have successfully reinforced the theoretical part with practical application, right? So all three trades were opened strictly according to the strategy and all closed with a great result. So let's lock in the profit for today and move to the withdrawal tab. Yeah, let's go. So I'm withdrawing around $1,000, $1,200. Yeah. Perfect. So the withdrawal request was successfully confirmed. Yeah. Well, great. Well, guys, you saw everything with your own eyes and you managed just to make over $1,000 in just a few trades. And as you can see, it works really, and it's not as scary as it seems. So the rest is up to you, and I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, if you have any questions and some unclear moments and difficulties you have found after watching this video, so just go to the description of this video. You'll find there all the necessary links and to my Telegram group too. So, and guys, I hope that I could make this video tutorial as informative as it possible, and it's really will help you to trade better. So, and guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to leave the comments below. I really will be pleased when I see that. So your reactions. And yeah, so have a good day, everyone, and good luck. So bye.